Hi there, for today's Elements of Drama review, we are going to be focusing on setting. So let's go ahead and do this. We're going to write Elements of Drama. Remember, we write the title to help us know, to help us remember if we ever come back to this page, what were we focusing on? Elements of Drama. Today's date, 1-7-21. It's a new year. Alright, yesterday we focused on cast of characters, and today we're going to be focusing on setting. I think, like I said yesterday, I think it's a good idea if we have these different parts of elements, the definition, and a little example here. I think it's a good idea if we have it in our journal so we can always go back and look at it if we ever need to remember what it was. So underline setting. Give you some time. I know I kind of wrote that kind of quickly, but give you some time. If you need more time, pause the video. All right. If you need more time, just pause the video. A setting, a time or place in a drama. What's another word for drama? Play. Excellent job. All right. So yesterday I did Little Red Riding Hood. So that I'm going to continue on with that. I did the character, two characters. So Little Red Riding Hood. You don't have to copy this. You can pick your own play. I'm just going to stick with this one. All right. So I'm just going to draw a picture now. So if you want to do your own picture with your own play, that's fine. I'm just going to continue to stick with this one. While I'm coloring, you can also be catching up on your writing, or you can also be coloring with me. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about my little picture. So where is this happening? At Grandma's house and in the woods, and it's during the day. All right, so the time, daytime. Place, woods, Grandma's house. All right, I hope you enjoyed this little Elements of Drama review over setting. Okay, if you need more time, just pause the video.